公共交通中的有用短语。
Where is the bus stop? Where is the train station? How much is the bus fare? How much is the train fare? Can you tell me when the next bus arrives? Can you tell me when the next train arrives? What time does the last bus leave? What time does the last train leave? Can you help me with my luggage? Is this seat taken? Can I sit here? Where can I buy a ticket? Do I need to transfer? Which platform is the train to destination on? Can you tell me the fastest way to get to destination? Is this the right bus for destination? Is this the right train for destination? Can you tell me the next stop? How many stops until destination? Can you help me find the right platform? Is there a restroom on this train? Can you tell me where the exit is? Can you help me with directions? Is this the right direction for destination? Can you tell me the schedule for the next bus, train?